video, we'll be revealing the top 5 most exclusive billionaire destinations. 1. Lake Como, Italy. Lake Como is a breathtaking retreat where billionaires seek luxury and privacy. This iconic Italian lake features historic villas, 5-star resorts, and private boat tours. Celebrities and business moguls own lavish lakeside estates, enjoying fine Italian cuisine, exclusive shopping in Milan, and the peaceful, picturesque surroundings that make this one of the most elegant getaways in the world. 2. The Maldives is a billionaire's paradise, known for its exclusive private island resorts, overwater villas, and personalized services. Resorts like Sonneva Fushi and Cheval Blanc Randelli provide unparalleled luxury, offering underwater dining, yacht excursions, and wellness experiences. The crystal-clear waters, pristine beaches, and complete seclusion make it a go-to destination for the ultra-wealthy seeking relaxation in absolute privacy. 3. Dubai, UAE. Dubai is a billionaire's playground, famous for its extravagant lifestyle, futuristic skyscrapers, and high-end shopping. The city boasts 7-star hotels like Burj Al Arab, designer boutiques, and VIP experiences such as private desert safaris. Visitors enjoy supercar rentals, private island resorts, and Michelin-starred dining, making Dubai a hub for luxury, innovation, and unparalleled wealth. 4. Kyoto, Japan. Kyoto offers a blend of traditional elegance and discreet luxury, attracting billionaires seeking cultural exclusivity. Private ryokans, Michelin-starred kaiseki dining, and exclusive tea ceremonies provide a refined experience. The city's stunning cherry blossoms and serene gardens offer a tranquil escape, while nearby luxury train journeys and private guided tours elevate the experience to the highest level. 5. Aspen, Colorado, USO. Aspen is the go-to winter playground for the ultra-wealthy, offering world-class skiing, exclusive chalets, and high-end après-ski lounges. Billionaires arrive via private jets to enjoy luxury resorts and members-only clubs. The town hosts elite events like the Aspen Food and Wine Classic, and designer boutiques provide a shopping haven, making it a perfect blend of adventure and indulgence. These 5 places offer immersive experiences, seamlessly blending history, nature, and culture into the fabric of an unforgettable journey.